Now it's time to start taking a look at the WebRTC APIs. The first one is get user media. What we want to achieve right now is that after the user enters a room name and clicks go, the application can get access to the media devices and show such streams in the web page. Let's start by creating an on-click demand on the go button. So we're going to use the reference button go room, and we're going to select the on-click event. At the on-click, we're going to set it to anonymous function. We're going to add a little bit of validating here just to make sure that there's valid room number or room name. And we're going to show a simple alert. Please type a room name. If everything goes right, then in here, right now, we're simply going to hide we're going to display the consulting room. But before, we're going to hide and here we're going to put to display. Okay, so now all we need to do is to call the get user media inside the else class. We're going to put the navigator, media devices, and then we're going to call get user media. Here we're going to add the string constraint, which is the one that we defined before, and the get user media will return as promised. So we need to handle the promise accordingly. So we're going to need to add we're also going to use an anonymous function that will receive a parameter. This parameter is going to be the string. We're going to set the local stream to parameter that we are receiving, and we're also going to set the source object attribute to the stream. Okay. We'll also need to handle catch in case anything goes wrong. We're also going to use an anonymous function, and we're simply going to show a message that an error occurred. Okay. And now let's run the app. We're going to move to a terminal and run the application. We're going to move to the browser. I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to put the name WebRTC training. You see that we see the prompt to grant access. We're going to allow, and there we have it, the stream. There we have the stream. Okay, as we have set the stream to a global variable, we can take a look at how it looks. Here we can put the name, local, video, and we can see that we have the elements and all the parameters that it has. I'm looking for the SRC. Okay, here it is. We have media stream that we can also see by putting local stream variable. We can see it's the same. Okay, so now we have the local stream We need to be able to transmit it. But before we can do that, we need to know where to find the other pair. To do so, we must set up our signaling server. So when you're ready, move to the next lesson.